Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to turn a TikTok sound into a ringtone or into your alarm. So you'll have to go to your TikTok and you're going to choose a song you want to basically make a ringtone with, and you're going to just download a video from TikTok with containing that song. You're going to save it, and after that you will need one application, which is you can download it and it's free and you don't have to sign up. It's called Ringtone Maker. So let's go and download it. So I've already downloaded and it looks like this, a Ringtone Maker, a purple one. You're gonna click on that, and here you can upload files and make a ringtone. So I'm gonna click on plus. So I'm gonna click on that video. I click on done, and it will make a file. And I will have to click on info button, and you're gonna click on make ringtone, and you will have to click on the GarageBand, copy this to the GarageBand to make a ringtone or alarm. You're gonna click on that, and after that you're gonna click on the top left corner and click on my songs. So here is the file we just uploaded, and you're gonna click on share and tap to create a custom ringtone for your iPhone. You're gonna click on the ringtone and you're gonna export it. So let's name it somehow. This exporting as ringtone. Now just go to your settings. After that you're gonna click on sounds and haptics. If you want to change your ringtone, of course. And here is sounds and vibration patterns. So if you want to change your ringtone, you're gonna click on that and just choose the one we just created. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you can make a TikTok sound into a ringtone. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.